Hello friends, welcome to our new kids class. How are you all? Hope you are studying with a lot of fun. Let's move on to our next chapter today. But before that, those of you who have not subscribed to our channel, first touch this subscribe button written at the bottom of the video and make it gray color. Okay friends, let's start the class. Today we will read the numbers from 0 to 9. So let's get started. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. Okay, today's class just ended here. So how did you like today's video? Like if you like it. And yes, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe. See you soon with new chapter, with new video in new class, in which we will learn some new thing. So till then you all be always happy with your family and keep revising today's mentioned chapter with fun. Stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye.